So, good morning and welcome guys. Here we are at Autosport 2019. I'm here with the Firefighters race team and also PTSD 999. So we're going to have a look about the show and then we'll come back to these guys, have a chat with them later, see what's happening. So here we are for Autosport 2019 and luckily I've been invited by David Franks, the owner of the Firefighters race team.
Yeah, 2019 Autosport, epic show, 6th year here as the Firefighters race team, working forward into 2019 for the race season ahead. Lots of plans, lots of things coming, and we hope to cover those in future. Snippets of video with Jordan soon.
How do. So in terms of the Firefighters race team, what car do we actually have?
So with Firefighters race team, the actual cars we have are two race cars. We have an R50 Mini, which is normally used for track day work, coaching, stuff like that. And then we have the Classic Mini, which is the physical race car we've used since we very started the whole team. Classic Mini, which has gone from all kinds of guises in the way of engines and specifications, and we're due to start freshly really soon a brand new build of that car.
So for people that don't know, what are we actually going to be racing in?
We're going to be racing in the Mini 7 race series. That's a professional race series, it's a championship, it's been running for well over 35 years, and the idea is to race the Classic Mini in the Mini Libra Miglia Championship.
Fantastic. And obviously going into 2019, what are the plans? So we're building the car, you're ready to race, you've got the tyres, you've got the car, you've got everything. What are you missing?
So over and above the build, we've got everything we need. Yes, you're absolutely right. But coming along with the race season comes the expense of the season.
Yeah.
So it's the cost to keep the team in check, if you like. That's the race fees, entry fees, getting to the circuit, the sort of the background work, the mechanical work, the tooling, the training, and everything else we need to do in the meantime. And we're looking at a decent budget for that this year if we can. So we are looking to raise a bit more sponsorship for that.
Now you've already got sponsors, haven't you?
Yeah, we've got some fantastic sponsors. Sorry Jordan, just to announce a few of those this weekend. We've got Corbo Race Seats looking after us, Luke Harnesses, NGK, Products UK. They've very kindly helped us out as normal, which is brilliant. Royal Purple Oils with Advanced Lubricant Solutions. We're looking at CAD engines. We've got Varley batteries. We're going to be utilising obviously your Dunlop tyres in the Mini 7 Challenge itself. Looking through the car, we've got FEV, fire extinguisher systems. We've got the race suit people, AWS. We've been very lucky to grab one of their last ever race suits ever, and continuing on from there. Yeah.
So for me, the Firefighters race team is 90% there now. It really is, and I'm hoping to. I've come on board with Firefighters race team. You never know what's in the future. We do have a spare car. But not only that, we are pushing for the rest of the sponsorship to race in 2019. You've got some big races, like the support race to the BTCC, haven't you?
Yeah, so coming up in May, we've got the British Touring Cars. We are very fortunate, the first time since 1982 to be the first club championship to be supporting the BTCC championship at Thruxton in May. We fully intend to try our best to be there and be the first race that we actually competed for this season. We're going to miss Croft, unfortunately. That's due to a race car build, but we're putting absolutely everything we can into it to get us there.
So here I am, Autosport 2019. I'm here with Firefighters race team and charity PTSD 999. We're going to have a look around, see what's about at Autosport, see different racing cars, and yeah, here we go. So we've got the World Rally cars, we've got truck racing, we've got the Jet Pirate Centre Pod, British Touring cars, we've got the British Rallycross, we've also got Autograss cars, we've got tractor pulling, junior stock car, drift cars, American NASCAR, historic Formula 5000 is the F1 cars, we've got classic cars. This E30 M3 is something that I've got to actually show you guys. You've We've got supercars, hypercars, all sorts of beautiful cars here, but to be honest, this E30 M3 is just stunning. It really is. It's been restored to immaculate condition. It looks absolutely gorgeous, and pictures, videos won't do it justice. For me, sack all the supercars, this is amazing. So it's not often that you jump on a rat rod on top of the car. I'm jumping on with Simon from PTSD 999. Let's hope that the roof doesn't go through with my weight on it. Let's see. Oh. How do?
Good, buddy. How you doing, mate?
I'm good, thank you. You?
Yeah, good.
Good.
1934 Austin Ruby body.
Right.
So it's like old school body. She's a Rover V8, 4-litre Rover V8, BMW E32 auto gearbox.
Wow.
And an Escort 2000 rear end. We went for the auto box because there's not a lot of room for an extra clutch and all that kind of stuff.
Am I offending in saying that this is a Frankenstein of cars?
Yeah, absolutely. You are so right. It is. Yeah.
It's absolutely beautiful, isn't it?
Thank you.
But it's so different as well. And for me, like being at Autosport, there's a lot of amazing cars here, don't get me wrong. There's supercars, race cars, drag cars, all sorts. This has had so much attention, hasn't it?
Yeah, it has. I was really surprised. I mean, there's a lot that's done some amazing stuff, a lot of money stuff here.
Yeah.
And this is just, everybody, it's accessible as well. Everybody can come in, sit in, have a play with it, but it's amazing.
And is this on hydraulics or air? Or?
It's on air.
Yeah?
So it's on air. So there's 4 airbags at the front, 4 airbags at the back, and we can pump those up.
And have you built this yourself?
I didn't build it. A fireman from Sussex built it for us.
Right.
Really cool.
Wow, so he built this all by himself?
He'll put it all by himself. Amazing, done an amazing job, really.
And have you got any more plans in future for the car?
We have, yeah, absolutely. We want to take it around the country. We want to use it for what we do day to day.
So you actually drive this?
I do. I've done 1,000 miles on the road in it.
Oh my God, I can't
amazing.
believe actually driving this thing on
It's
the road.
noise, it makes your ears bleed, a lot of attention.
I'm going to hold you to this, and you guys, can we get a drive in this at some point, potentially for a video? That'll be cool, won't it? So anyway, leading on from that, I love the bodywork on it, the matte black, but also not only that, there's some logos on there, and I can see them on your t-shirt.
Yeah,
What's that?
It is. It's a skull design. There's a couple of pistons out there. We call it our Black Dog.
Yeah.
And it's sort of a bit, depression, like Churchillian Black Dog days.
Okay.
And it's worn out, it's burnt out, but you're still on it. You're still going for it. Yeah.
And what's that to do with?
That's to do. We're part of an organisation called PTSD 999, and that stands for Post Traumatic Stress Disorder 999.
So Simon, we've now found ourselves on the wheels of the car,
On the front.
off a roof. I started in the roof, no I didn't. But basically, we got onto PTSD 999, didn't we? Do you want to just tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, absolutely. As I said, we're the only organisation in the UK that treats and diagnoses for post-traumatic stress in the emergency services. I'm a former soldier. A lot of our people that have joined up are ex-army, but actually have gone on to become policemen, firemen, and ambulance services. We only look after emergency services, both serving and retired.
Wow.
We're the only organisation that does what we do in the UK.
So for people that want this help, you treat and diagnose, don't you, as well?
Absolutely.
Which is such a niche, isn't it, nowadays? And I mean, hats off to you, a lot of respect for what you're actually doing. Now, if people want to access these services, how do they do that?
Absolutely, yeah. We're on Instagram, we're on Twitter, we're on Facebook, all the social media outlets. We've also got a website, which is www.ptsd999.org.uk, and you can contact us via support@ptsd999.uk. You can call us up, you can text messages, you can private messages. Just if you're having a wobble, you're struggling, just don't be alone. You're not alone.
I think mental health now, especially younger people, is becoming a more talked about thing and not as much as a taboo. Back to when you was in the army, say, it was such a taboo then, wasn't it? Are you having a massive influx of people at the moment? Are you busy?
We are super busy, and it's 24/7. It's every day.
Yeah,
and it takes its toll on us, on our guys, which is cool because we love what we do.
Yeah.
If you go into a room, anybody that's struggling, and there's 10 people in that room, 8 people are struggling, and you won't know about it, and we don't talk about it. Or if you broke your leg, that's cool, that's fine. Everybody can see that.
Yeah.
But sometimes you have a bit of a wobble up here, and things are a little bit different.
Yeah.
Difficult. You're not weak. You're not an idiot. You're not a loser. You know, you're normal.
Yeah.
All right. And everybody's feeling it.
Yeah.
You know, just know that you're not alone.
Yeah.
Don't struggle alone.
Yeah.
It's hugely important.
So, listen guys, I think that's a really important message. Anyone that wants to contact Simon, I've been here all day with him. What a fantastic guy, hats off to him. A lot of respect for the work that he's actually doing. Please feel free to contact me and I can pass you on, or alternatively, find him on Instagram, Facebook page, website. They're here to talk to you.